watch this video and procrastination will never be a problem you face ever again. Hello, I'm Dylan. I'm 17. I turned lazy people productive using tactical techniques and strategies that helped me turn from a gamer who spent 210 days of his life procrastinating work and wasting away to someone who effortlessly and easily breezes through large banks for his work, for his business, education and personal development goals. So there's a 4-step formula I believe will help you beat procrastination. Number 1, your environment. What clothes are you wearing? Are you smart? Are you professional? Are you in the right mindset to complete the work and the tasks ahead? For me, I like to wear nice clothes, a nice polo shirt, be nice and dressed up for the occasion of the work, which gets me in the right mindset and allows me to dip into the productive work and the flow very, very easily. So make sure your environment's good, make sure your bedroom's tidy, your desk is organised and clear, and it allows you to have this clear state of mind and the correct mindset for the work when you dress up for it. Number 2, specific criteria plan. So rather than saying I'm going to revise or I'm going to do a business task, make it specific. I'm going to revise for 90 minutes on business unit 1 using Quizlet, a past paper and cue cards. There you go. Now you have a specific criteria plan. See, the problem a lot of people face with procrastination is the friction between them and the work. If you remove the friction via planning and very, very specific planning, then it makes it easier for you to dive into the work and beat procrastination because you know exactly what you need to do. See, the brain understands ambiguity. If you don't have a specific, measurable, quantifiable goal of the session, then the brain's going to struggle to jump into the work because it doesn't quite know what it needs to do. You need to process, you need to have a specific criteria plan in place. I need to do 90 minutes of business unit 1 work on my computer using Quizlet, cue cards and a past paper. There you go, you have 5 criteria that the brain can easily understand and chunk into, removing the friction from you and entering the work, beating procrastination. Tip number 3, so you have your environment and your plan ready. Go into your bathroom, turn the water on freezing cold, grab it in your hands and splash yourself in the face for 30 to 60 seconds. So for 1 minute, splash your face with cold water. This will activate the mammalian dive reflex and stimulate dopamine. From a basic level, dopamine is the drive hormone, the neuromodulator of motivation, and you can stimulate it by doing hard things. Splashing your face with cold water is an uncomfortable and hard thing to do, so therefore it will stimulate dopamine unless you're completely fried from scrolling and doom scrolling on brain rot TikTok. It should stimulate dopamine, allowing you to have motivation to go into the flow state of productive work and combat your procrastination, eliminating any tasks you have left to do. So you have your environment, your specific criteria plan, and you stimulate dopamine and motivation by splashing your face with cold water for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't be a pussy, get it done, and you'll find it beneficial. So finally, the fourth point of this protocol. This one helped me exponentially. So I have my environment ready, I have my plan ready, I've just stimulated dopamine with a cold shower, and now I'm about to enter the work. But before I do, I build up even more motivation. I build up even more inertia into the work by using my technique, snowballing. So you imagine a ball of snow on a cold winter's day, you roll it down a hill, the inertia, the momentum and the snow on the floor builds up a massive clump of ball when it hits a massive clump of snow when it hits the bottom. The volume triples, doubles, quadruples because of the inertia and the momentum of the ball rolling down, accumulating snow. See, it works the same with productivity. You have all these small tasks lined up: tidy my bedroom, make my desk clean, open my computer, make sure my files are ready and open. These tiny tasks are building up momentum, building up inertia and accumulating dopamine, so when you go into the larger tasks, you have this volume of dopamine and motivation and flow momentum ready in you, so you're able to jump into the task more effectively, quicker, faster, and you have less friction between you and the work again because you have dopamine and motivation built up. So there's the 4-point protocol of strategy to beat procrastination. I hope you find it effective. It generally changed my life and it's changed many others who I've taught it to. You need to take notes. So environment, what you're wearing, where you're doing it, how clean is the environment. Number 2, planning, specific criteria plan. Rather than that, I'm going to revise 90 minutes of business unit 1 using 3 different techniques, and I'm going to revise business unit 1 for 90 minutes on my computer using past papers, cue cards and Quizlet Plus. And 3, splash your face with cold water, activate that mammalian dive reflex and stimulate dopamine externally, resetting your brain ready for work. And number 4, snowballing method to garner as much motivation, dopamine and inertia towards your work, allowing you to jump in frictionless to your productive work, eliminating procrastination. I hope these tips help you. If you're looking to get more help from me, the top link in the description will take you to a meeting page. You can book a session with me and I can turn you from lazy to productive using the same tactical techniques and strategies that changed my life. I'll take you through it, I'll apply it to your life, and I hope to see the same results for you.